Today we're unboxing the Black+Decker air fryer toaster. First thing you need, a big shark. Now this came from a delivery, so it could be a box within a box.
Yeah.
And we'll see. Being assisted by my trusty assistant, Lyle. It is a box within a box, just as I thought. Alright, let's have a look. Aha. What's that one? Aha. Okay. Very good. And up there's a receipt. Let's get rid of this box. There's a receipt. So we're going to save the receipt.
Okay.
Always save your receipt. Okay. Macy's. What for Macy's?
Here, turn it over. Turn it over.
Oh.
It's upside down.
It's upside down, everybody. And this is Molly, my other assistant. I get a nice look.
Okay.
Alright, so be very careful not to go too deep. You don't know what's underneath there. Watch out for corgi noses as you're doing this. Okay, very good. So, the first thing we have looks like the inside fryer dish. So we'll just remove it. Take that out of here. Here we go. Okay, that is very nice.
Okay.
Put that over here. Now, the next thing I'm going to do by lifting. Very lightweight. Lyle, give me a hand. Wait. I might have to edit the tape. This is not going as planned. Oh, there we go. Okay, very good. What I like to do is remove these, and I'm going to save these in case I have to return it. I'm going to save that. Save all of this. And we have another pan on the bottom. Yeah, we have some more pans. Lots of pots and pans. Alright, very good. And more pans. I'll never get this back in if I have to return it. Hopefully I won't have to return it. Oh boy, what a mess, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, pan.
That's the shelf.
It's a shelf. That looks like a bottom pan. Looks like a toasting pan. And we found the instructions. Very important. Let's leave that there. Okay, we're taking the plastic off. Molly's helping. Hey Molly, get that plastic, will you? Thank you. Yeah, wow. How about? Okay. Nice. And now I'm going to put it on the, I'm going to put it up here. Also, my trusty corgi assistants are getting a little rambunctious. Here we go. Okay, now as you can see, this is the old Black+Decker. This is the new. Peel these off. We can open the door. Being careful not to scrape or scratch anything. A little sign here, so we don't need to sign anymore. Or do we? Oops. And then there's another tape protecting the bottom. We get rid of that. Alright. And this is the inside. Looks nice. A little dent right here. See that little dent? Can you see that? No. It's hard to see on the tape, but there's a little dent. I'm not happy about that. That's not good, but nonetheless, I'm going to start. This is the shelf. Simply slides on. And this looks like a pan. Goes on the bottom. I'm not sure how these go yet. I'll have to read up on it, shouldn't I? I'm not sure. What do you think? No, that's not bad. I'm gonna have to read. I have no idea.
Okay.
All right, so we're looking at the diagram. So this goes on the bottom. This one goes higher here. And then it looks like this pan could sit here for now. And I think underneath there, I'm not sure, is this. Okay, we read the instructions. This is called the external crumb tray. And it goes underneath the door. There's a little slot. That's very smart. And then you put it in.
There you go.
So this concludes the unboxing. And we're now, stay tuned for our next video where we actually will make something with our new Black+Decker